Hello dear students, welcome to my online English class. This is Biplab. This is Sahajda Biplab, assistant teacher English, Gaivandha Boys High School, Gaivandha. Dear students, before starting our today's class, we all should give our heartiest thanks to our Almighty Allah as He has kept all of us well, even in the serious COVID-19 pandemic situations prevailing all over the world. So dear students, today, especially the students of class 7 are invited or welcome to my class because today I would like to discuss a scene passage from English part today of class 7. So once again, the students of class 7 are welcome to my class, and I will suggest you to keep a notebook with you so that you can write down and can be active in my class and can answer the questions I will show you. So dear students, let's start our today's class. Before starting the class, I would like to show you picture. So dear students, I have a question to you. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Of course, your answer will be, that means you are watching two trains are moving to their destinations. Okay, dear students. So, our today's topics is traveling by train to class 7, unit 6, lesson 5. So it's clear to you about our today's topic. But before starting reading the passage, we should have some ideas, or we should know the meaning of some important words or keywords from the passage. Okay, dear students, so let's try to know the meaning of some important words from our textbook. Before this, if we go through the text, we will be able to read and understand the text, pronounce keywords in which says, talk about the people, place, event, write a short paragraph description, tell the meaning of some keywords from the inference. So dear students, let's know the meaning of some keywords. First of all, we have an important word, that is compartment. Meaning, the meaning of the word compartment is a division of a railway carriage marked by partitions. If we try to make a sentence with the word, that word may be, the compartment is half empty. We are watching the compartment is not full, this is half empty. What is the next word? The next word is departure. What is the meaning of the word departure? The meaning of the word is going away, leaving a place. That means you are watching the train is leaving the station. That means Dawanganj bound train is departing Kamlapur railway station. Another word, similarity, meaning sameness, likeness, correspondence. There is a similarity between the writings of Nazrul and the writing of Shelley. Now, we should go through the text, and after going through the text, after realizing the meaning of the text, understanding the meaning of the text, we will have to answer some questions, multiple choice questions. So, try to read out the passage first. Jisan, Julie and their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arif, and got into a first-class compartment at Kamlapur railway station. It was Dawanganj bound Tista Express. The train left at 8 o'clock. Jisan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. However, the train was running quite fast The children sat by the window beside their parents. The compartment was half empty. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on Our Train Journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. She took a printout of the poem. She was looking out and saw the passing things. Now, while looking out of the windows, she found similarities between the poem and real scenario. Then she took out the poem and began to read it. Now, as we have finished reading the text, we have already learned the meaning of the passage, and we know the passage is about a train journey. Jishan, Julie and their parents are going to Downlands from Kamalapur railway station. Now we have to answer the multiple choice questions taking from the text. So first question is to you. You have to answer the question. You will try your level best to answer the questions. Which one of the following words has the similar meaning of get into? What is the meaning, similar meaning? Which word? Which of the four words bear the similar meaning of the word of the phrase get into? Out, leave, obtain or reject. Which one? You have to guess first and then I will show you the answer. Okay dear. First one, out is wrong. Second one is also wrong. Third one will be the right answer. Obtain, to get into something, to take the position of something. And the last one also wrong. So let's see our second question. Which one of the following words has similar meaning of big? Which one of the four words bear the similar meaning of the word big? Which one? Small can be the meaning, bears the similar meaning of big. Huge, little, trivial. You have to guess first. Please try to answer and then I will show you the right answer. Please. Okay, you are right. First one is not wrong. First one is wrong. Cross, you have got cross mark. Second one may be the right answer. Huge. Huge is the right answer. The similar word of big is huge. Little is wrong. And the trivial also will be the wrong answer. What is the third question now? The train left at 8 o'clock. Here leave means, what is the meaning of the word leaves? Arrive. You have already got a cross mark here. Quit. Is it the right answer? Reach it. Is it or on? You have to say first. Okay guys. Second one. Most probably B. Third one is wrong. Fourth one is wrong. B answer. Second will be the right answer. Quit. Now come to the question number 4. However, the train was running quite fast. What does however mean? You have to guess. What does the word however mean? That is why. So, therefore, nevertheless. Which one? You have to guess first and then try to answer in your khata. And then you will see the right answer. Okay, let's see the right answer. Which one? That's why is wrong answer. So, wrong answer, therefore wrong answer. And we have already got the right answer, nevertheless. What is the question number 5? However, the train was running quite fast. What does quite mean? Now try to guess. Partially be wrong. Totally will be the right answer. Partly will be wrong and particularly will also be the wrong answer. What will be the number 6? Jishan saw that the departure time. Here departure means, what is the meaning of the word departure? We have already learned the meaning of the word departure. So now we will try our level best to correct the answer. What will be the right answer? Arrival, return, come back or exit? Which one will be right? Try to see. Arrival is the wrong answer. Okay. Return is also the wrong answer. Come back is also wrong answer. Then the last one, the question answer no, D will be the right answer. The exit. Exit. Number 7. What is the verb form of the word beautiful? You have to identify the right answer. What is the verb form of the word beautiful? Beauty? No, this is noun form. Beautifully? This is adverb. Beautify? Of course it may be the right answer. Try to see. Beauty? Wrong answer. Beautifully? Wrong answer. Beautify is the right answer because this is the verb form of beautiful. So beautification is also wrong answer. Now try to see question number 8. What is the opposite meaning of the word empty? Opposite meaning, not the same meaning or similar meaning. You have to find out the opposite meaning. The word with opposite meaning. Try to answer the question. Vacant, it may be wrong answer. Full may be right answer because this is empty, null, and this is full. The opposite or will be the full. So null will be the wrong answer and none of them also wrong answer. Question number 9. Which one of the following words has the similar meaning of the word similarity? What is the meaning of the word similarity? Dissimilarity? Resemblance? Difference? Or similar? Which one? Try to guess. Please try to guess and I will show you the answer now. Okay, dissimilarity is wrong answer. Resemblance is the right answer because there is a similarity or resemblance between. I have told you in the picture, I have shown you in the picture that similarity means there is a correspondence or resemblance between two things. Difference is also the wrong answer and separate is also wrong answer. Now the last question. Today our last question number 10. Which one of the following words has similar meaning of real? Now you have to guess because this is last answer. You have to make the right answer. Okay, real. What is the similar meaning of the word? Which one bears the similar meaning? Which one can be replaced by the word real? Try to see. Unreal is wrong answer. Imaginary wrong answer. Actual is the right answer and false is the wrong answer. So dear students, it is very difficult to discuss everything from the textbook or same passages or first part because after this we have to answer from unseen passages. So today I am ending here and in the next class I will take or discuss on another topic and till then Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.